All green arrows for May. Hey, that's John Hagen, eXp Realty, looking at our Fargo Moorhead, West Fargo real estate update for the month of May, looking at April data, last April, see how we're doing year over year. All right, so looking at everything all at once, it's all green arrows. So that's good. That's the first time we've had green arrows for everything in quite a long time. But we'll dive in here to the inventory. So inventory we want to see going up. Inventory's been low ever since kind of the COVID market happened. All the houses sold, low interest rates, high demand. It's hard to keep any inventory on the shelves. And then ever since then, people have been slowly listing their houses as it been like before. So that has caused some problems with low inventory, high demand. Prices have kind of gone up. And so we want inventory to go up to help with that higher demand. And then prices should naturally come down over time. And right now, demand's a little bit lower just because the interest rates are higher. But we still need to see that inventory go up. And the reason we're not seeing inventory go up is people are owning a house at a low interest rate. They're less likely to sell it unless they need to or have something better, maybe a better option. So we are seeing inventory going up versus last year, but we're still low versus previous years. So up 22%. That's something we really like to see. We want to see that continue to go up to help with this demand that the market still has. New listings is up 34%, so big jump there from last year. So that's going to help with that inventory. We want to see new listings continue to go up over time as well for the rest of the year. Median list price, this is up 2% versus last year, so that's great. Not a huge rise from last year, but 2% is something acceptable, nothing huge that we don't want to see. We don't want to see it go up too much because that causes some issues in the market with prices. We don't want to see it drop too much either because that shows that something else is happening in the economy where prices are going down. Sales are up 55% versus last year, so huge jump there. Last April, we did have a drop there versus March, so that's part of the reason this looks like such a huge jump. It should tick up again in May, June. June's usually our peak month. So 55% more sales this April than last April, which is great to see. And if interest rates stay the same or go down at all, that should go up quite a bit from last year. Average days on market, so over the average of houses that are selling, we're at 15% faster than last year, so 39 days on average, which is the first time in a while that's gone, well, this whole year that's been faster than last year on that. So that's on average. So lower priced homes are selling faster than higher priced homes, which is normal. But a lot of those higher priced homes are just sitting for a long period of time and not even selling. And the lower priced homes are selling, some of them very fast. And then the median sales price is $271,000 on average for the median sales. So that's 0.2% higher than last year. So not much change from last year at all on that, which once again is something we like to see. We don't want to see it drop drastically. Maybe 1 or 2% down from last year would be acceptable. Up would be okay. Up to 5%. That wouldn't be too big of a change in the market. So hopefully this levels out versus last year, and prices don't increase drastically. If we see interest rates drop, we'll probably see prices increase if we don't see that inventory increase first. So that's your market update. If you're looking to buy a home, know that prices are leveling out a little bit versus last year. So work with your agent to get a good price on the house you're buying. Know that with lower priced homes, there's a lot of competition and houses are still selling fast. And if you're selling a house, know that based on your price point, it might sit for a while or it might sell fast. Work with your realtor to figure that one out too. And just know that inventory is in your favor. Less houses on the market mean less choices for buyers, so there should be some competition on their buyers to sell your house. All right, John Hagen, eXp Realty, helping you buy and sell smarter.